So hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple logo by using Pixellab app. So this logo can be used for both your personal as well as suppose if you want to give logo to any of your company or if you want to create YouTube channel icon. So I think Pixellab suits very well. So just go to Play Store and download it. So after downloading, just what you need to do is just click the new text, okay? Double click it and here just enter the text that you want. I will enter UTT. United Top Tech, my channel name. So after entering, just go here, go to side and go to size, just increase it and position it in the center. Okay, that's good. And press tick. And next thing what you do is you need to select the font. Okay, actually I don't have any downloaded fonts. If you want to download, you can just download it from the net and put it in the downloads folder. But actually built-in fonts are really good. Okay, actually there are a wide variety of fonts. As you can say, they are really good. So it's better to go with the built-in font. I think this shortcut font is good. So just select and click OK. So that's good. And now I will set the color to change the color. So color is here. I will set it to black. Okay. So that looks really good. So now every logo actually is concealed inside a circle. So that's a format I think so for doing logo. So I will also format for it. Just go to shapes. And here there's a bunch of shapes available. You can select which what you want. I will select the circle one. So after selecting the circle, so actually now you can see it's pretty much filled up and it's hiding my initial of my channel. So I will just reduce the opacity and I will actually increase this one. So the text should come inside the circle. Okay, that's the most important part in it. So now if I just go down and if I just put the stroke, okay, the text will perfectly fit inside the circle. So that's really good. You can also change the opacity of your circle and darken it. So there's wide scope of doing this, blur radius, etc. You can also even change the color. So it's a color panel plotted. So just click next. Okay, so now our logo looks very good. Suppose if you want to don't need to give any texture or you just want to give 3D shape, just click 3D. Okay, and if you just change the depth, okay, another important thing, this is the most important part. So now what if as you saw there, if I gave 3D text and if I just change the depth, you can see that outer circle depth is only changing, the inner low font remains as such. So to avoid that, this is one of the most important steps. So watch carefully. Just click this icon, layer icon over here and click this option. Okay, and you need to select both the icon, not the icon, alphabet and the circle, and you need to select this option over third option in the bottom or the middle option, and it will ask you a confirmation to merge the selected objects. Just click OK, and once you have done, as you can see, there is only one layer. So it's basically like merging two layers to one, and just click right. Okay, now we are good to go. And now if I go to the 3D shape and enable it, so now I increase that, as you can see here, the depth increases throughout. Okay, so I just wanted to show this as a demo. Now we are going to add texture, because texture is basically like it gives an additional shine. Okay, so that's why I'm using texture. So I'll just click texture. It's basically an image, nothing new. That just go to texture, and I actually just took a download from this image from web. I have a silver texture. Okay, so as you can see, I just took a screenshot from web. So just put enter, and as you can see here, it has turned completely into silver. So that looks really good. So just click tick, and once texture is over, you need to go to shadow. Okay, this gives an additional boldness to your text, and just select this offset. These are basically for shadow, and that gives good depth to your channel logo. Okay, that looks good, and tick enter and go to, you can also click inner shadow, enable it, so you can basically play around with this. Yeah, it doesn't look good. So just you go to emboss, enable it. So I told you, just it's your wish, you can just play around with it. Okay, so change the light, hardness, so bevel. So there's multiple options. You can just, and if now I give 3D shape, I think to look, okay, it looks solid, but I think this is good for a logo. Okay, there's also 3D rotate, erase color, mask. There's also a bunch of color options left. You can use that. So I think this is, I got my logo necessary. So this is basic, just the basics that you can do here. So mine's a programming channel. If you want, I've done many tutorials in Unity, Blender, C++, Java, etc. Suppose if you are interested in programming stuff, please do check out other videos of my channel, and thanks for watching.